Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something truly groundbreaking to talk about, the Xreal Air 2 and Pro version. If you're into cutting-edge virtual reality experiences, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into this review. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this VR glasses at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. First off, let's talk about the display. The Xreal Air 2 and Pro boasts an impressive 1920 by 1080 resolution per eye. The OLED display delivers stunning visuals, ensuring a crisp and immersive VR experience. Whether you're gaming or diving into virtual worlds, the clarity of this display is truly exceptional. The Pro model comes with new electrochromic dimming for its lenses enables to swap between clear and shaded at the literal push of a button. This feature is the only difference between the regular Xreal Air 2 glasses and the Pro. With a brightness of 500 nits, you can say goodbye to dull visuals. The Xreal Air 2 ensures vibrant colors and sharp contrasts, even in well-lit environments. It's a game changer for those who demand visual excellence from their VR headsets. Now, let's talk about the field of view. The Xreal Air 2 offers a 46-degree field of view, providing a wide and immersive perspective. Whether you're exploring virtual landscapes or engaging in intense gaming sessions, the expansive field of view adds a new dimension to your VR experience. In terms of movement, the Xreal Air 2 offers 3 degrees of freedom 3D. This means you can enjoy a range of motion that adds to the realism of your virtual adventures. It's a great balance between freedom and precision for an immersive experience. Moving on to the design, the Xreal Air 2 is impressively lightweight at just 72 grams. The sleek and lightweight design ensures comfort during extended VR sessions. You can forget about the heavy headsets. The Xreal Air 2 is all about comfort without compromising on performance. Now let's talk about the audio. The Xreal Air 2 comes equipped with dual open-air speakers, delivering rich and spatial audio. The immersive sound quality enhances your overall VR experience, making you feel truly present in the virtual world. In terms of connectivity, the Xreal Air 2 keeps things simple and modern with USB Type-C. This not only ensures fast data transfer, but also makes it compatible with a wide range of devices. It's all about convenience and versatility. So, there you have it, folks, a closer look at the Xreal Air 2 and Pro model. With its stunning display, lightweight design, and immersive features, it's a top contender in the world of virtual reality. If you're looking to elevate your VR experience, this might just be the headset for you. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, goodbye.